Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, you're curious to see what the 2024 filing tax season is going to bring for you in this year that we are in, 2025. There's this great nifty little tool that TurboTax actually made for you to estimate how much you're going to pay or get in a refund from the IRS before you actually file your taxes. You need similar information to what you would use to file your taxes, but not in such depth. So if you want to get a quick estimate before you actually file your taxes, this is the video for you. I'm going to walk you right through it. It's this easy, super easy online tool that you can use, again, to estimate your taxes. If you're ready to see, hopefully, how much you get as a refund, let's go. Obviously, you do need a lot of information that you would also use in filing your taxes, your age, just your general information over here, and then it's going to give you an estimate. So let's put in information. Let's say I am 35. No one can claim me as a dependent. I do have W-2 on hand. Filing status, let's say I'm married filing joint. If you're not sure, you can explore that there. Earned income from my job this year, let's say I made $40,000. Taxes withheld, $2,000. And this is because I said I had a W-2. So I'm hoping all of your companies have already gotten you your W-2 because that's due by the 31st of 2025. State taxes withheld if you have that on there. My spouse's age, let's say they're 40. They earned $50,000 this year. And we're just going to make up a number. Make sure that everything matches your W-2s, both from you and your spouse or anyone else in your household. And then continue. We're going to continue to refine our estimate instead of filing. You can start doing your own taxes if you want to. They're estimating that we're going to have $168 back as a refund, but it's a very, very rough estimate. You have to put in more information to get a more exact defined estimate. We're going to go and continue to the estimate. Select all applicable expenses and deductions for the year. Dependents, education, retirement, other income, deductions, tax payments. Obviously, the more that you put in, the more correct this estimate's going to be. It's called an estimate for a reason. It's not supposed to be exact. We're going to put in as much information as we can. We're going to say dependents. We're going to look at other deductions, and then that's it for me. If you want to look at more, you can. Let's say we have one kid under 17. No full-time students in like college, no other dependents. We paid $2,000 towards childcare expenses, and our dependent is under 13. Any other deductions? Home, charity, other. Let's say charity. Let's say we donated $5,000 to our church. This has obviously populated. It's not low like it was earlier. It's at $2,500 now. And you can start filing, or you can look at this. Because we didn't elect for any other information, it's saying, hey, from what you told us, you're going to get this amount back. Obviously, it's an estimate. We can start filing to get a clearer version of what that number is actually going to be. Or we can, go and jump and have a party about the $2,500 we're going to get back before we file. Either way, I think this is actually a really great tool for you to know ahead of time going into taxes. I think for me, it eases my stress. For everybody else, if you owe money, it's kind of a good way to start planning on how you're going to pay those taxes back. So whatever your situation is, it's a great tool to use. I would suggest using it if you don't think you can file your taxes right away. If you're going to be waiting closer to that April date, I would take a look at this and see, what this tax season holds for you. Leave any questions, comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Email me if you need to, and I'll catch you all in the next video.